everyone, have a good day. I am Tora Jugasora, Section Electron. Today, I am making my week 11 output, which is Calamay. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a Calamay. So first, this is my ingredients. I have a coconut, I have a glutinous flour, which is we called here in the Philippines pellet. And since I have no other peanut, I will just use this happy. I also have a calamay, salt, and cornstarch. First, I'm going to make it shine by using this sandpaper like this. And after, cut it half very carefully to make it look professional. By the way, this coconut have two purpose. The meat of the coconut, I will take it out so that I can use the milk from this coconut to mix it into the steak and rice, which is fillet. And this coconut shells, I'm going to put the calamay inside later after I'm finished cooking.
So this is my coconut. I am going to put a water in here and squeeze it. And after, I'm going to use the milk from here and mix it together into the fillet later.
So now I'm going to put this coconut milk into the pot. And then add calamay and stir until dissolved. Glutinous flour and stir. I add water. So we're done. Finally, put it in the hold the tape to make sure it's not spilled. So guys, I am done. Thanks for watching. God bless.